Why is the Daytona so hyped? And why is the waiting list 7 years long? I'm Big Mo, and today we're diving into the world of the Daytona. I'm here to break down the hype behind this iconic timepiece, and trust me, you're going to want to stick around till the end because I've got some hot tips on how you might snag a Daytona. So, the Rolex Daytona, right after the Submariner, is undoubtedly one of the most sought-after watches out there. Everyone's chasing it, but hardly anyone's catching it, especially not at the list price. So if you're not one of the lucky ones with a solid connection to an official Rolex dealer but still dreaming of owning a Daytona, you're looking at dropping between $18,000 and $100,000 depending on the model. The steel version I am holding right now currently sells for $28,000, and it doesn't look like prices are going down anytime soon. Why are folks willing to pay double the list price for a stainless steel watch? And what are your chances of getting a 116500LN at list price? First off, as many of you know, the Daytona is a chronograph, used back in the day before digital timers to measure time and speeds. The modern Daytona is also waterproof, thanks to its pushers that screw down like the crown, adding to its charm and functionality. But let's be real, the digital age hasn't dimmed its appeal. The craftsmanship, the materials like the polished stainless steel that makes it prone to scratches, the brushed caseback, and the polished band links, they're all top-notch Rolex standard. And let's not forget the Cerachrom bezel, a ceramic and chrome mix that's a game-changer in terms of looks and scratch resistance. Yet, materials alone don't justify the steep market price over the list. There's got to be more to the story. Perhaps it's the history and the prestige that fuel the hype. The Daytona's lineage dates back to before the Cosmograph, with Rolex producing chronograph movements housed in their oyster cases since the 1940s. The connection to the Daytona International Speedway in 1962 gave birth to the watch's name, with the model 6239 being the first to sport the iconic moniker. Fame further skyrocketed with celebrities like Paul Newman, making the Daytona not just a watch but a legend. Fast forward, the demand for the Daytona far outpaces supply, making it a rare gem that's tough to get at list price. But here's the kicker, folks. It is possible to get a Daytona at list price. It's all about your relationship with your Rolex dealer. VIPs, loyal customers, those who genuinely share a passion for watches, they stand a better chance. I, Big Mo, haven't snagged a Daytona at list price. So, here's Big Mo's advice. Find a local dealer you vibe with, become a regular, and share your love for watches, and you might be able to buy one. However, the current waiting time for this model I'm currently holding is 7 years. If you don't want to wait 7 years for your Rolex Daytona, reach out to me on Instagram at BigMoWatches or via WhatsApp. Link on my website bigmowatches.com.